So Marie has been selling printables, but she felt people were pricing their products too low on the Etsy market, so she's looking elsewhere for other options to sell her products. So she's asking, selling the printables on my own website, should I do the same, or how do I decide a good price for my products?
Yeah, pricing is always the big question, right? And whether it's a course or printables or anything else that you're selling, these digital products, it's digital, right? So we're like, how do we do this? And I think a lot of it will come through trial and error. And people always want a specific answer, but there is no specific answer. It depends on a few things. It depends on your audience. What type of people you are attracting through your marketing. Are they people who have a lot of disposable income? Are they the type of people who want to just spend the money because it gets done for them and they don't have to worry about it? Or are they maybe more frugal or don't have as much money to spend? But then maybe you'll reach more of them as well. Like, your audience might be large, and selling at a lower price is not a bad thing, especially if you can gather a bigger audience. It also depends on your preferences, really, like how much you want to put into it, how you're willing to present everything that you sell to them, and where you sell, if you have direct competition or not. Even on Etsy, um, if you learn to do the good, like I guess would we call it still search engine optimization, or even, yeah, it would be, because if your Etsy listings are getting a lot of traffic from search, you probably have to worry about your competition a little less, because people are searching for something, they're finding your listing. Yes, maybe they'll do some comparison, but you're at an advantage there. So you're not always, you want to look at what other people are doing, but you don't always want to base it solely on that, because it depends what advantages you have. Or if you already have an audience, like I said, it depends on your audience. If they have more money, or also if they trust you more than they would trust other sellers, you're also at an advantage. For me, I think, if you're starting, look around what you're comfortable with. I think it's always better to go start lower and go higher, because if you sell a specific type of product at a really high price, get some customers, and you lower it, it kind of creates weird optics. For starting at a lower price and then slowly adding more value or increasing it as you see you're able to, is I think a smart way to do it. Also, it rewards the people who purchased from you early on, right? So make it advantageous for people to get on board early.